Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Texas Roadhouse employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in live2.texasroadhouse.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Texas Roadhouse employee portal. Just type in your username within the username box that you have set up while creating your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Texas Roadhouse employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password as well as the username options to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Texas Roadhouse employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.